everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add profile photo on Peachat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Simply open up Peachat application. Click on the icon on the top left corner. Click on the plus icon here. Select camera or gallery. Here I am going with gallery. Select any photo that you want to upload as profile photo. And that is how you can easily add profile photo on Peachat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.